Thing's bent up. I have to straighten this bottom part out a little bit. I remember exactly when this happened too. Racing some kid from high school in a Dodge Avenger back in the day. Passed him. Had to kind of go up over a curb a little bit, or I would have went right through an intersection with the red light. And smashed the curb with this. So yeah. 25 or something years later, I'll fix it now. He knows who he is too. Mangled. Sweet. I'll nip these off. I'll put in a few new, and then I should be able to pull the whole thing so it's somewhat straight, so that when I put the air dam on it, it can sit flush with these mounting holes. So I'm just gonna finish that up, and I'll get back. Grind those down, and we're good for now. I'm gonna actually pull this. There's a big dent right here too. Pull that out later. Alright, I'm gonna cut this video right here. Again, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and here's a few extra clips showing the rest of 2018.